Darren Steen here from the Transformation Station in Mokina, South Chicagoland. Here with my client Blair. You probably seen him on my page. Blair, what's happening, buddy?
Morning.
Hey, he was worried about his hair. He said, how do I look? I said, well, I just kicked your ass for 90 minutes, so it doesn't really matter what you look like. But anyway, this is Blair's first week done in the 12-week transformation. We set some pretty big goals. We drew up his commitment sheet. We did all that. And we checked in today, and with no fast, no cleanse, no nothing unique on the food program that a lot of people do, and really hasn't got his organized food program yet with cycling carbs. We're just now getting that down. He lost 1 9/16 inches off the waistline in the first week. So we're off to an unbelievable start, and we're super excited about it. Blair, I want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
How's that feel to see? Did you feel the clothes fitting differently? Did you know that it was going to be that good of a check-in?
No, I didn't know. I just kept focusing on what I was doing.
Cool. So I guess what I just want to say is, with all the tools that we have given you, the resistance training and stretching with me, the interval cardio that you're doing on your own, the food program, the goal setting with emotional reasons, and the social support, the 5 pillars, how is your confidence that you're going to do something radically crazy good with your body and your lifestyle and your life in a short amount of time right now?
It's a different world from a week. I can see that there's a light at the end of the tunnel where a week ago I didn't have a clue. I'm really excited about each week as it goes by.
So a question I got for you is, if as you walked in the door for the consultation 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, what 1 to 10, where would you put that you knew you were going to do something incredible in a short amount of time and changing your body, lifestyle, and life? 1 out of 10 a month ago.
3.
After the consultation? I'm pretty good at consultation.
Oh, no, after the consultation, I would say 5.
It kicked up to a 5.
Yeah,
All right.
after the consultation.
After the
It's
consultation.
different.
So
It's different now.
before the consultation, it was a
2 or 3.
2 or 3. Now today, with the weekly waistline check-in and the knowledge and information you have about being 1 week into the 12-week program,
8.
you're at an 8.
Yeah, I mean, I couldn't. Intellectually, I knew it after the consultation, but now I feel it.
Awesome. So you're at an 8, and you mentioned something about competing in a local bodybuilding show. Were you serious? Maybe down the road, or?
Yeah. I mean, I'm years away. Certainly to look like my friend here, but no, it's just something that to aspire to. That it'd be like to actually consider. It'd be nice.
Cool. Well, I disagree with you. You're not years away. If you wanted to be respectful on stage, I think you're probably 12 months to 16 months, a year and a half away. So
I'll believe it. After a week, I'll believe it.
Cool. Well, we'll talk about it in the future. Anyway, congrats, Blair. I'm really happy for you. Woo woo, Knuckles. And until next week, we'll check in with Blair's second week on the body transformation program here at the station Mokina. And you do have the power to change. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Thanks, Blair.